not an e-bike. So my dad decided to buy an e-bike kit so he can transform this thing into an e-bike. Foamy. It's a luggage carrier with the battery. Oh my gosh, there's a key!
There's a dog.
What's this? An instruction? Uh-oh. There's foam in here! Time for the next box! This big old box. Oh, it's the wheel. It's the wheel. Why is there only one wheel, Dad?
It's for the front only.
Oh, okay. I don't need a microphone, Dad. A box. And a thing. Let's check out this box. Whoa. What's in here? Is this a light for like in the middle? That's not fair. I want that too.
Maar die mag wel.
Wait, there's another
We can
one?
put it on your bike. Yeah?
Okay.
What's that? Some cables. Okay.
Some.
A controller.
Oh.
Some stuff.
More stuff?
Do you think your dad can put it together, Bianca?
Probably. And
Yeah?
it's a headlight.
So, ooh, a headlight. Woo. So are we going to film how I'm going to make it?
Maybe tomorrow because
Are
it's
you?
gonna rain.
Yeah. Are you going to help me film it?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have this thing too.
Wow, that looks super
And there's
cool.
another box.
What's in the box? Open it. This is an unboxing video after all.
The sun is shining.
Ooh, that looks cool.
It's little
It's
cutie
an
little dog.
iPhone.
Wait, what?
No, it's just a display. Sorry, Bianca. Show it to the viewers. Okay, so we're gonna show how we're going to make this conventional bike an e-bike. Stay tuned.